ama-provincial competitions ange-13 and 14 zika-June. Siyaqeda manje i-Pentecostal season. Ngicabanga ukuthi ama-conductors fana aqale manje ukuthi achoose music bese yaqala yawenza music. A normal conductor uma ngabe preparela a musical event or choral music event uzipha 3 months wonke. The first month will be to teach the music, the second month will be to then work on the sound of the choir, and the last month will then be to make sure that all technical accuracies within the music are sitting perfectly. So ngizama ukuthi u3 months ukhona ekupheleni kwalezi inkonzo esibhekene nazo manje emva kwaloko ama-youth angaqala ke practice.
Yebo. Usasemningi umsebenzi. Ngizongena mfethu la kwi choral music ukuthi kahle khona nijaja kanjani ama voice uniform because kuyenzeka kwesinye isikhathi uthi thina like abantu basuke bethamela lo umcimbi lo we competition sizothi mase sizwa sekuphuma ama results sithi hayi na kanjani ikhwaye ukuthi ikuthathile na kanjani number 1 but mase siyathola ikhwaya ngathi ayikuthatha ngu number 1 mhlambe kuleso simo amakhwaya okupha ngayilungiselela khona mhlambe kwanina nijaja kanjani kuona.
Ngiyabonga mhlambe inkonzo amukela kabi ama-adjudicators ngesimanga sokuthi of course uma ngabe kuphela i-event kufanele kube sebemkhiphile number 1, 2 and 3 and of course akuya kungabi kuhleke mangabe abanye abaveli ku-any position but akuziwe kuzobulawa kuziwe uzokwakha uma ngabe ungavelanga lapho kuchaza ukuthi you need to go back and do more. Abantu abangakwazi ukuthi i-adjudicator iya etafuleni ichoir ino 100% uma igibele stage ize iphume yona esuke izihlisele lama points ngokuthi okokuqala nje iyayi-understand le ngoma icula yokuqala ngokuthi engabe sound yayo i-appropriate for le ngoma na engabe bayayazi into abayenzayo all technical accuracies zimi kahle yini uma ngabe kukhona accompaniment is it available uma ngabe kukhona whatever that's there the rhythms are correct and everything. These are all the things that we listen to and we start marking down choirs but ichoir ingena nje ino 100% but as it continues with its performance yawo only then we start marking down because izinto ezibalekile sizifunayo azikho. But I can tell you now, yes, a good choir is a choir that sticks to simplicity. And what is simplicity? Technical accuracies, knowing your notes first, yes, knowing your rhythms secondly. Ichoir ingayicula nje ingoma, know your notes, know your rhythms, understand what's on the copy, and then okunye is just an added advantage. But the most important thing is your basic technical accuracies. Yes. That's what we're looking for.
Hayi. Ngiyathemba ukuthi amakhwaya asezozilungiselela ngokuyikona manje akekho sezothi urojiwe. Hayi akekho ngempela.